Hey guys, this is Mark. In this video, I want to talk about how you can get tech to review. We've been making reviews and videos for over 5 years now, almost 6, and it was very hard to get products to review. I know that's what everybody wants to start off, is to get tons of things to review for free so they can make videos and get awesome stuff without having to buy anything. And that's something I've always wanted and something I've worked for a long time. We finally pretty much got there where we can get anything we want. And I want to share my experience with you on how we get those things and the process that you should go through if you're interested in starting a channel or a website where you review products. The number one way that people find us and the people that come to us are through Amazon. They always say that they found my email address, my review on Amazon, and they really liked what we've done. And because of that, they want to send us a product so we can do something similar to what we've done for other companies. And that is my number one suggestion, is to start reviewing things on Amazon. Even if you did not buy it from Amazon, even if you don't own it, but you've used it, share your experience, write a detailed review, give pictures and upload a video. People are looking for something that are unique to reviews, and including a whole 5-minute review video along with your Amazon post is going to be something that companies are always looking for, is for a detailed and thorough review, something unique such as a video. We actually got products through a program called Amazon Review Trader. I believe it's now called Vipon. I'll leave a link to that down below. And that's how we originally got started leaving reviews on Amazon, is we got free products through there. And then we were able to write a review, make a video on that. And that is how we got out into the Amazon share with reviews and that sort of stuff. And then from there, companies saw that what we've done, and now they're coming to us looking for something that either we will put on our YouTube channel or that we'll put on Amazon. But most people are always wanting a video, not a written form. And because we do have a unique way of writing reviews where we don't actually write reviews, we just make a video, that's unique, that not many people do, and that makes us stand out. And that's why everybody wants us to make a review video for them to put on Amazon. But before you really go to companies asking for products, you need to get some sort of market share in what you're doing. We've been making videos for 6 years, so we have quite a few subscribers, but we do also have a website where we have hundreds, if not thousands, of viewers, and we also have a pretty big Amazon account with several reviews. You need to get something under your belt, either viewers, subscribers, website visitors, or a lot of reviews. You need to have something to prove what you're capable of in order for companies to be able to be interested in having you review their products, especially if you go to them asking for a product. And just know that you cannot go to Apple right now and get an iPhone. You cannot go to Google and get a Chromebook. You can't get big things right away. You have to start small. Once you do start asking for products, start with an app or maybe a case or a screen protector. Those are small things that do not cost a lot and are pretty cheap to ship if it has to be shipped to you. Then you can start going for bigger products and working your way up, but don't go as big as you possibly can just because you're able to. Start small and work your way up and prove to everybody what you're capable of. And once you do start showing what you can do with products you already own, companies are going to start coming to you from there. And also keep in mind that the products are going to start to be not great, but eventually they're going to get up there in quality. And then pretty soon you'll never have to ask for a product. If you've worked with a company before, they may come back to you several times, because lots of companies are looking for a long-term cooperation with reviewers and influencers so that you can always be featuring their product. They'll come back to you multiple times, and if you want to go back to them, they'll be more likely to accept your review offer if you've worked with them before and they're able to see what you're able to produce. But there you go. Those are my tips on how to get cool tech to review for free. This is what we've been doing for the last 6 years, and I think it's worked out pretty good. If you like this video, leave a like and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. This is Mark with Apple Tech Wednesday, and I'll see you in the next one.